Hi, welcome to the Discount Travel Secrets Resource Bundle. I just wanted to give a quick introduction on how the platform works and the beginning modules of just how to get started with it. So the first thing that you'll see when you log in is going to be this day one course introduction. And if you click on the little hamburger menu here on the side, it'll show you a breakdown of what every lesson is on here. So this first set here, Discount Travel Secrets, was my original course, and it was like a 5-day thing on breaking down the 4 sectors of the tourism industry and then how to save money in each one or to travel more for less in that. And then after that, all of these extra modules were all from a separate resource bundle, and I've just combined everything into one so that everything's in one spot. So the first thing you start with is the Discount Travel Secrets course introduction, and then you can also join our Facebook group that we have on this topic. You'll see it here. It's called Discount Travel Secrets. This link will take you right to it. It is listed as a private group, so when you go to join, it'll ask you a couple questions like just will you follow the policies, here's the guidelines. If you want to be on the email list, it'll ask for an email. You don't have to provide it if you don't want to, but you're likely already on the email list if you're in this bundle, so you don't have to worry about that. And then we do have an announcement on the pinned posts here. I think sometimes they're listed under featured. I have a few announcements now though, like my 2 other blogs, and then this is the announcement that it's referencing in here, the resource guide, where I combined everything together. And you can read some more details in that. And so that's kind of just really the introduction of getting started. I'll make separate videos for each, like for this lesson that's coming up here, that'll be its own thing. That'll be listed underneath, but I'll make a new welcome section, and that's how you get started.